Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm here to bring you an exciting product review of the DEWALT 20V Max cordless power tool. This baby is packed with power and convenience, and the best part is, it's currently on sale for $70 off. So, if you're in the market for a new power tool, make sure you don't miss out on this deal. Just look at this thing. It's sleek, it's stylish, and most importantly, it's packed with features that are sure to make your DIY projects a breeze. With its 20V max battery, you can tackle any job without having to worry about being tethered to a power outlet. And, you know what they say, freedom is key. With the DEWALT 20V Max, you'll be able to move around freely, whether you're working inside or outside the house. The DEWALT 20V Max also comes with a variety of attachments, making it a versatile tool for all your needs. Whether you're sanding, cutting, or drilling, this tool has got you covered. And, with its compact design, you can easily store it in a small space without having to sacrifice performance. So, what are you waiting for? If you're looking for a power tool that's packed with features and is easy to use, then the DEWALT 20V Max is the one for you. And, remember, it's currently on sale for $70 off, so don't miss out on this amazing deal. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product. And, if you liked this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more exciting product reviews. See you in the next one.